Hello everyone, my name is Sirilak Lookfak. Today I will talk about the pronunciation of consonant sound P and B. The P and B sound are often studied as a pair because both sounds are produced in the front of the mouth with tongue in the same place. The difference is that the P sound will blow air out of your mouth and B sound you don't blow air out of your mouth. P is the voiceless and B is the voice. Today, I have a special guest join this video. What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
From Ireland.
Today, we will talk about how to pronounce her and the. For example,
So the first sound P as in pop,
hop,
P as in pay.
K,
The example sentence is Paul put pins in his pocket.
Paul put pin in his pocket.
Again, Paul put pins in his pocket.
Paul put pins in his pocket.
Very good. And the second example is please pay police pennies.
Please pay police penny.
Please pay police pennies.
Please pay police penny.
The second sound is B as in boy,
Boy,
as in bill.
bill.
For example, big boys buy bread.
Big boy buy bread.
Big boys buy bread.
Big boys buy bread.
Second example is bad books are boring.
Bad books are boring.
Bad books are boring.
Bad books are boring.
Very good.
Okay, thank you.